right, Z broke down. We're gonna do some sketchy shit to get this back running. I'll show you guys later what fuse broke, but we gotta get this thing going. I think we're gonna bypass it, to be honest, with some speaker wires, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. Give me a little bit of that JV weld.
Burns down, burns down.
Wait, what are you gonna do though?
I'm gonna put these wires over here. Maybe it's shorting down here.
Maybe the fucking charger's not grounded right, that's why it's fucking...
Where are you gonna run the wire to?
What do you mean? Right here? We're gonna watch it burn down.
Hey, not with that attitude.
Crazy.
Good footage.
make a good vlog.
You're not gonna connect the starter, right, babe?
No.
Where's the tape?
The what?
Tape.
Right here. I'm fucking blind?
Show you that attitude.
I'm going through a fucking crisis right now. Right? Sorry.
Attitude. The car's supposed to be ready.
Fuck! There's fires with. Who has fires?
Are you getting me? Are you getting me?
You getting my good side?
Damn, brand new wires and hoses is so satisfying.
Yeah, that's my neck. What's the matter? Just leave the hood open. I'm gonna run behind you with a fire extinguisher, bro.
The Jeep.
Hit that bitch. Bro, like that bitch.
Was that knock or what was that?
Hey!
Hey!
Sorry about head over?
Somebody follow right behind me. Let me know if I'm on fire.
Alright, we got the car running. Let's go. We did with the car right now, we completely bypassed the fuse that basically prevents your ECU from frying. So again, not encouraged. I'm hoping when he's at high RPM, everything's still okay. I guess they might be getting some oil right now, but we are heading back to the spot. Shout out to whoever let me borrow those tools. Honestly, you came in clutch. I'll give them back to you right now. And let's get to this drift event. All right, guys, I'll see you there. Oh, this doesn't look good.
Oh, we're so close.
I think we're just ended up towing it to the spot from here. We'll see. This was said I'm a diesel here.
Hey, make it easier for the truck being closer.
I got you here.
Usually right there.
Dale. Go, 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 go.
Go back a little bit.
Damn, looks like a 350 crashed into a pole. I don't think I got it on film, but let's go see the damage. Oh shit, I missed it. Where'd he hit?
That pole.
Oh fuck. It was like he hit a pole. I didn't get it on film, but that pole is pretty sus, so I think he smacked that pole.
Dude, nothing happened to the wheel, you're fine. I got zip ties and fiberglass.
I didn't jinx nothing. Like, got me so mad. Like, what the fuck?
Beto, his bumper used to be purple, dog. You knocked all the flake out of his bumper. You can't replace that bumper, dude.
If I make a snowman out of rubber, dude. What's that? Oh yeah, I got that. I just noticed it. I was like sick ass, but one-handing it over here. Hey, what up, brother? I finally meet you after like 2 years of following you. 2 years ago. I got the sick angles of you. I blur out plates, but I'll tag you in it.
It don't even matter, brother. Please ignore him, man.
That's so true. That's so fucked up.
Bro, he hit you. No, I hit the fucking. I bapped the takeover niggas. Like this.
You know Chino's butthole's like this clenched right now. Bye.